morning. We're going to school. Here's Kuya. And here's Baby Eddie. Where are we going?
Let's go to school, Kuya.
Go to school with Kuya.
Yeah.
Where's Mama? Mama is driving.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, a bunch of cows. Ayan mo na lang yung pagpunta. Yung tanggal speed. There are birds. Yeah, see that? Yeah, there's more birds. Falling down now. So sweet.
Kuya, look. Eddie.
Lagi.
Laging.
Oh wow, so many.
meron abante.
Umalis mo ka po. Oo na. Ano lang siya? Hi! Sit down ka muna here. Let's go, kuya. What's this?
Pipilapang.
Okay. Sit down, baby Ali. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Let me see happy face. One more. Let me see happy face. You like school?
Yeah.
You have friends?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Very cool.
It's raining. Is it raining?
Pick up your... Give me this. Where's your tumbler?
Diyan, sa loob nung lagay niyang baon. Diyan, tingnan mo dyan. O, minsan nandito sa loob.
Wala.
Tingnan mo, balikan mo yung tumbler niya. Maraming ngat-ngat sa sipsipan. Let's wait for daddy. Naiwan yata yung tumbler. You see daddy?
Yeah. That is
Yeah, you see.
that's the face.
You see classmates.
Yeah. Hi, classmate.
Bye-bye classmates. Aray! Ay, careful.
Yan.
Yeah, another classmate. Oh, say bye-bye classmate.
Bye, classmate.
Bye classmate. Bye-bye kiss sa classmate mo.
Bye, classmates. Yun ang kalaro ko eh.
Kalaro ka daw niya. Let's wait for Kuya, okay?
Yeah.
We're now here at the house. We're watching our vlog.
Fish.
Later we'll go to take a bath, then go to coffee shop, okay?
Yes.
Say to Kuya.
Hi, Kuya.
It's Kuya Silly.
Yeah. Look. Look.
Yeah, we're making a vlog. Are we vlogging?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bugging na.
Yeah, vlogging na tayo. Okay, see you later vlog.
See you pa.
We're going to coffee shop. We're going to take a bath first, okay?
Yes.
Oh, don't touch your tongue. Good evening. Dito na naman kami. Bali, ngayon lang ulit naka-video. At sunod-sunod ang order kanina.
Bug.
Ito, kasama ko pa rin dalawang batang makulit. Say hi.
Hi.
Where are we going?
Let's go house na.
Where?
Let's go house na.
No, not house. We're going back to our coffee shop.
No.
Why?
Let's go house.
No, I don't like house. Look. They're playing basketball. I'll show you guys.
Okay, let's go up.
Yeah. You want to watch basketball?
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see. They are playing basketball.
Ah!
Oh, nice.
Oh. I see it.
You see?
Yeah,
Are you
Yes.
enjoying watching basketball?
yeah. I see basketball. That. I see a basketball. Huh. I see it. There's there. I see it. Good. Look at you. See it? Look. Look at that good hip.
Oh no.
Look at this good. I see it.
Let's go to coffee shop.
Yep.
Okay. Buy basketball. We're going back to our shop here. Here lang oh, here oh. The court is in back of our shop. This is our shop, the blue one. Where's Mama? Ah, come on. Oh, oh. Yeah, tomorrow. Get inside na. I'll give this to Mama. Yeah, tomorrow. Oh, baby Ellie. Give this to Mama.
Okay, seven. Tomorrow. Okay, seven.
Yeah, tomorrow, baby. Give it to your mom.
What's that? Policy?
No, no more cellphone. Kuya, put it down yan.
Ayan na naman. Kukulitin na naman niya ako.
Ano kay Mama? Hagos si Mama.
Pala. 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 No, more pala. Oh, ouch. 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 Oh no.
Oh. You love Kuya?
Oh, pala. Pala. Oh, pala. Pala.
Kuya, you love Ellie? Ang bait ng kuya namin, oh. Maghapon siya, walang telepono.
Kahapon pa. 2 days na niya.
2 days na, pang 2 days siya ngayon. High five, kuya.
Mas mabait siya ngayon kaysa kahapon.
Yeah.
Bawo, bawo.
I love you. I love you.
Ako.
I love you.
Love you.
Ako.
Love you.
Ako.
Okay ka na, no? Unti-unti na natin yan, ha?
Every weekends na lang, okay?
Sunday lang.
O Sunday.
Seven. Tomorrow. Okay, seven.
Okay, every Sunday, okay?
Tomorrow. Okay, seven.
Okay guys, I'm washing the dishes and look here. And look, the supervisor. Here's my supervisor. Kuya.
Pichon.
Okay. Tapusin ko muna to, then para makauwi na agad. Almost done cleaning. We're ready to go home. Oh. Almost done. Ellie, stop mo yan.
Double check mo yung mga ano, lalagay sa ref. Yung mga